Hello students, so this is your second video on the chapter Human Body, and in the last video we have completed up to the circulatory system, and today we are going to start from the excretory system. So what is excretory system? So excrete means to remove something. So there are certain organs in our body that remove waste from the blood and they form the excretory system. So which organs are they? They are kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. As because our body works all the time and it produces waste. So these waste mix with the blood and makes the blood impure. So this has to be clean. So this work is done by excretory system. So this cleaning of blood is done by the kidneys. There are two kidneys on each side. And remember that the right kidney is slightly lower than the left one. So these kidneys work as filters. How? As we filter water, it removes impurities. In the same manner, kidney also work like a filter and remove waste from the blood in the form of urine. The next one is reproductive system. So about reproductive system you will read in detail in higher classes. So at present let's see what it is. See, there are certain organs that help to produce babies. And because of this, the living beings continue their species. For example, as cats give birth to a kitten and dog give birth to a puppy, human being give birth to a human baby. So in this manner, the reproduction help in producing babies. So male and female have different reproductive system. The next one is respiratory system. So, as we know, in order to survive, we need to breathe in air. So, we inhale which gas? It's oxygen, and we exhale or removes out carbon dioxide. So, this is done by the respiratory or breathing system. So, which part or organs involved in this system? They are nose, windpipe and lungs. So the parts you can see in this diagram: nose, here is the windpipe and these are lungs. So when we breathe in, air enters our body through nose, then it goes to the lungs through this windpipe. So the air that we breathe in is called inhaled air, that is rich in oxygen, and the air that we breathe out is called exhaled air, that contains a lot of carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is not useful for our body. It is a waste gas, so it has to be removed out from our body. So what happens in this process? When we breathe in, our lungs are filled with air. It's just filled with air. Which air? Fresh air that is rich in oxygen. And that oxygen then mixes with the blood. As we have already read about circulatory system, that circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. So this oxygen mixes with the blood and through blood vessels, it just passes to all parts of the body. So, what is the use of this oxygen? So, this oxygen provides us energy. We need energy every day for doing different kinds of work. So, this oxygen is important to get energy. The question is, why do we breathe? As I've already told that our body needs oxygen to survive. The thing is, oxygen cannot get into our blood directly through the skin. it requires a special organ called lungs. So our lungs absorb that oxygen-rich air, and with the help of red blood cells in our bloodstream, it transfers to all parts of the body. Next, how we can breathe correctly. So first point is always breathe in fresh air. Keep the doors and windows of your house open. Next, always breathe through your nose so that the dirt and dust does not get into your lungs. You should not breathe through your mouth. Next, do not cover your face while sleeping, as the same air should not be breathed in over and over again. So don't cover your face with blanket or anything. And even when we breathe, our chest expands. So thus, always try to wear the loose clothes. But at present condition, the quality of air that we are breathing is getting worse day by day. Why? Because of the polluted air. As the pollution is increasing, large amount of poisonous gases are released into the environment from factories and many other places, as a result of which the air is getting polluted. Especially in cities, the air is not at all fresh, so we are breathing polluted air which are very harmful for our body. Now let's read the causes of air pollution. So what are the causes of air pollution? How the air is getting polluted? So this is because of the smoke and dust that release from vehicles, or the smoke from factories, or as we know, people cutting trees to build hospitals, schools, factories, malls, etc. So what are the problems of air pollution? They are redness and irritation of the eyes, difficulty in breathing, cough, sneezing, etc. So how we can control this air pollution? The first point is by installing very tall chimneys in the factories. So how these chimneys are helpful to reduce air pollution? As these long chimneys take the harmful or poisonous gases from the factories high up in the air, so as to reduce the harmful effects on the ground. The next point is by restricting the use of vehicles. As we know, vehicles also releases the harmful smoke, the black smoke that you may have seen. So those just pollute the air. They are very harmful to inhale. Next, people should use cleaner fuel in vehicles like CNG, that is compressed natural gas. And the last one is we should grow more and more trees. Why? Because trees are just like our friend. They provide us oxygen. So you can imagine how helpful they are. And in return, they take the waste gas, that is carbon dioxide.